Here are the headlines moving markets today. Khiron Life Sciences Corp announced today that it has appointed Mr. Larry Holifield as the company's Security and Compliance Director for Mexico. Mr. Holifield, formerly a senior executive with the U.S. DEA with responsibility for Mexico and Central America, will play a key role as the company builds out its operations and stakeholder relationships in the fast-developing Mexico cannabis industry. Mr. Holifield joins a growing team for Mexico that includes country manager Luis Chavez and Mr. Vicente Fox, former Mexican president and Khiron board member. Aphria Inc. announced yesterday after market close a proposed private offering of $300 million of convertible senior notes due 2024. Aphria also intends to grant to the initial purchasers of the notes an option exercisable within the 30-day period to purchase up to an additional $45 million of aggregate principal amount of notes. Aphria expects to use the net proceeds from the offering of the notes to support its international expansion initiatives and for future acquisitions. Acreage Holdings Inc. and Form Factory Inc. announced after market close yesterday the closing of the merger that was previously announced on December 6, 2018. The transaction brings Form Factory's expertise as a one-stop shop to develop, manufacture, and distribute cannabis products of any form factor to Acreage's 19-state footprint of cannabis-based consumer and medical products. Evolve Funds Group Inc. announced that it has filed its final prospectus to launch the Evolve U.S. Marijuana ETF, USMJ. USMJ will be the world's first ETF focused on the U.S. marijuana industry. Units of ticker symbol USMJ have been approved for listing on the NEO exchange and will begin trading today. Australis Capital Inc. has announced the pilot launch of COIL, the first iOS and Android loyalty application based on a decentralized international network of dispensaries in Nevada and California. Developed by Rhythm Technologies Inc., a wholly owned subsidiary of Australis, COIL's loyalty program enables dispensaries and select MSOs to engage, reward, and retain customers, while attracting new customers through geolocation-based incentives. Cannabis One Holdings Inc. has completed the acquisition of certain assets of Colorado-based JBC Enterprises LLC, which operates the cannabis cultivation facility Fat Face Farms located in Denver, Colorado. DyonyMed Brands Inc. has signed a term sheet for an exclusive multi-state distribution and intellectual property licensing agreement with Virginia's Kitchen LLC, an edibles brand and wholesale platform based in Denver, Colorado. The total consideration for the deal is expected to be $5.5 million, consisting of $5 million at close, comprised of $4 million in cash and $1 million in DyonyMed subordinated voting shares, and the remaining $500,000 subject to certain performance conditions. World Class Extractions Inc. announced that its common shares are now listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange and are trading under the ticker symbol WCF and WKN A2PF9C. Zenabis Global Inc. has closed its previously announced fully marketed best efforts offering of 12.77 million units of the company. The offering includes the exercise of the agent's over-allotment option in full at a price of $2.25 per unit for aggregate gross proceeds to the company of approximately $28.75 million before deducting commissions and expenses of the offering. The company intends to use the net proceeds of the offering to fund the cost of conversion of its facilities to cannabis production. And that's your news for today.